So here we are. I don't remember which day this is on the project. Today we are getting all the old kitchen ready for pickup tomorrow. So we'll see how that looks. We disconnected all the piping and put some ball valves so it can remain closed and easy to connect when the new kitchen comes in. So this is how this is looking right now. As you remember, this is how the floor looks here. That hasn't changed. The kitchen hasn't changed much, except for the fact that now everything is moved. That's the dishwasher. There is the countertop with the shelves under. It's all together, kind of one piece. And there is the other piece. There is the oven, and the extractor is gonna be taken down shortly. Here, as you can see, we took off all the piping and the tap for the sink, as well as disconnected all the dishwasher. There is the draining pipe, and then here you can see what we did about the two feeding pipes with hot and cold water. We put ball valves, so now the water is on in the whole house, but here it's closed, of course. So the new kitchen also, it will make it easier to connect the new one. And here the last thing is that we are gonna look at the electrical connections to know how we had it before new things come in. There is Mia defreezing the frosting in the freezer and the fridge. Lots of water from the ice. So that's been the progress for tonight. We've been working for like 2 hours on this, and we will see what happens on Monday when they start putting the tiles.